everybody, what's up and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Shruti and I make videos related to curly hair, beauty, fashion and lifestyle. If you like what you're seeing so far, then make sure you go ahead and subscribe to this channel because it's free and why not. Today's video is going to be about my curly hair routine for beginners using Fix My Curls product. Now I have used and reviewed their products in the past. I'll link it for you guys above. But today's video is going to be about the new launch, which is the Curl Quenching Duo. I've got so many comments on my Instagram, on YouTube to review these for you guys. So that's what this video is going to be about. Plus, there is a huge giveaway. Yay! Now 4 lucky winners are gonna get 500 ml tubes of Fix My Curl products of your choice plus 1 satin pillowcase each, which is a huge giveaway. And I'm so excited for you guys because majority of my audience is curly girl queens. I know this is gonna benefit a lot of you guys, so super excited for you. Yay! So without further ado, let's get started. Quick few things about the brand and the products that you should know before we get started. So Fix My Curls is an Indian brand made by Indian people, so I would highly recommend supporting the locals. All the products in their range are great for curly girls. It's curly girl approved, vegan hair, it's paraben, silicone and sulfate free, which is great because it does not have any harsh ingredients in them. Packaging wise, I love the packaging. It's so simple and cute yet extremely helpful as everything is mentioned in the packaging itself. If you turn the bottle, you will see how to use and pro tip, and how to use is so in detail. Like even if you don't know how to use this product, if you just read that, you will know how to use it. Pro tip bhi mention kiya hua hai, which is really good, and ingredients bhi everything is mentioned. I hate it when they mention only the key ingredients and then you have to go to the official website to check all of the ingredients. Extremely frustrating. Love that they have given all the ingredients in the packaging itself. Talking about the size of the products, now Fix My Curls has come up with a new size range, which are these 100 ml bottles, and these are the ones I'll be using in today's video. I love that they have a bunch of options to choose from 50 ml to 250 ml bottles. I feel 50 ml is a great option to travel with, or you just want to try out their product for the first time, and these 100 ml bottles are a great in-between for a budget-friendly option. Now let's see how to use these products. This is like day 5 or day 6 hair. It's been in a bun for 2 days now, so it's extremely matted and frizzy. Let's start with shampoo first. I'm gonna use Fix My Curls Cleansing Shampoo. This has apple cider vinegar, tea tree oil and rosemary oil. I'm gonna use this much of the product all over my scalp and give it a good massage. You can also use a shampoo brush to massage your scalp properly. This is a perfect deep cleansing shampoo for curly heads. I have raved about this shampoo in the past and I still stand by it. It's amazing to get rid of any buildup, dirt and gunk off your hair and give it a good restart. I am a fan of deep cleansing shampoos and this is definitely one of my faves. Now they have one more shampoo in their range. It's an everyday moisturizing shampoo with mango butter, shea butter and neroli oil in it. Washed off the shampoo, let's move on to the conditioner now. For conditioner, I'm gonna use Fix My Curls Hydrating Deep Conditioner with honey, mango butter, goji berries and Nigella sativa seed oil. I'm gonna apply a generous amount all over my hair and massage it in. Next, I'm going to detangle my hair. Just a tip, always add a little water to your hair to enhance the slip of the conditioner and make sure it's dripping wet. Section your hair and detangle from bottom up. Always add more conditioner if you need it in small quantity. Rinse the conditioner off. Now comes the styling part. First, I'm gonna use Fix My Curls Curl Quenching Butter with flaxseed, tukuma butter, acai oil and green tea extract. I'm gonna use this much of the product and rake it all in. I like to apply stylers with my hair upside down. I feel it's easier for me and it gives me a lot of volume as well. This product is protein free, by the way. Such a great alternative if your hair is protein sensitive. I love that they have both the options available. They also have a leave-in cream in their range, which is an amazing product and it does have protein in it. Personally, my hair loves protein, so both the products work really great on my hair. I get amazing results using both. You can use a white tooth comb or a tangle teaser if you have it. Take a section and comb it at an angle as you see in the video. Look at that beautiful curl clump. Do that to your whole head. I understand as a beginner you may not have a styling brush or a Denman brush, so any white tooth comb will do. This product also has a little hole, so if you have fine hair and it's not dense, just using this product may work. But if you want your hair to have good hold and to last you longer with no frizz, then you can use Fix My Curls Curl Quenching Flaxseed Gel with aloe vera, chia seed and olive oil in it. I like to use praying hand motion and apply it all over and then scrunch it in. This again is a protein free product, and they have one more hair defining gel which has protein in it. Both of them give a good hold and gel cast that you need to break later once it's 100% dry. Squeeze out any extra water and scrunch with a cotton t-shirt or a microfiber towel. I started out with a t-shirt and it works just fine. I'm going to let it air dry for an hour and then hit it with a dryer. I'll see you guys when my hair is completely dry. And this is the result. Look at that beautiful curls. I have volume near my crown. The length is defined, moisturized, juicy and beautiful. I love the results I got. Just FYI, if you have seen my previous vlog, I have used Fix My Curls Curl Quenching Duo as my styling products. It's giveaway time. I know you guys have been waiting besabri se to listen to the rules and participate because price yes hai, right? So let me tell you guys one more time what you're gonna win. There's gonna be 4 winners and each one of you guys can pick 500 ml bottles of Fix My Curl range plus 1 satin pillowcase each. This is the prize that you're gonna be winning, so let's hear the rules. Rule number 1 is make sure that you're subscribed to my channel, that's Shruti Amin, and subscribe to Fix My Curls channel as well. I'll put their YouTube link in the description down below. So make sure that you're subscribed and hit the bell notification for both the channels. Rule number 2 is make sure that you're following us on our Instagram accounts. My account, that's Shruti_Amin_1994, and Fix My Curls Instagram handle as well. I'll put all the details in the description for you guys so it's easy. Rule number 3 is make sure that you share this video as much as possible on your social media handles. You can share it on WhatsApp, you can share it on Instagram, Facebook, anywhere you want, but याद से मुझे टैग कर देना ताकि मैं देख पाऊँ कि आपने शेयर किया है, टैग किया है, एंड स्क्रीनशॉट भी भेज सकते हो ऑन Instagram ताकि मुझे पता रहे कि आप लोगों ने शेयर किया है, राइट? रूल नंबर 4 एंड द फाइनल वन इज कमेंट डाउन बिलो which product would you like to win from the Fix My Curl range and why do you want to win it. उसके साथ साथ make sure that you comment your email ID or Instagram ID so that I can communicate with you guys. It will be much easier for both of us. So that's it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. I genuinely enjoy using Fix My Curl range and especially the Curl Quenching Duo. मेरे बालों में बहुत अच्छा काम करता है. I would highly recommend this and I'll put all the links in the description down below. If you try this routine or if you try the products, don't forget to tag me on my Instagram handle so मैं reshare कर सकूँ, मैं check कर सकूँ आपका stories. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I'll put all the links in the description down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Share this video with all the curly or any friends that you have. It will really help me out a lot. And the comment shout out goes to Sai. Sai, thank you so much for your comment. It really means a lot. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
I had a dream, we were sipping whiskey neat. I used to floor the Bowery when I was high enough.
Spider-Man's control and Batman with his fist. And clearly I don't see myself upon that list.